guys, welcome back to another Ryan Friedman Motor Cars YouTube video. Today we have the 2017 Aston Martin V12 Vantage S, 7-speed manual, Roadster, rear-wheel drive, 6-liter V12. Doesn't get much better than that. Let's take you around the car and show you the features. Starting off at the front of the car, a lot of carbon. Carbon on the grille, carbon front splitter, the carbon louvers on the hood. Hood design signifies that the car is a V12, which is really cool. Come around the side of the car, you have carbon ceramic brakes, black wheels, orange calipers, a little more carbon up here, and carbon door handles. You come inside, you can see the car's beautiful orange stitching. All right, we're in the car, you can see 7-speed dogleg transmission, which is really, really cool. You have carbon trim here with, it looks like it has some like orange details in the carbon. You have the key made out of crystal, which is your start button here. You have an infotainment screen that pops in and out of the dash. The car is a beautiful dashboard, nice Alcantara wheel. You have orange stitching everywhere, leather, everything. Overall, this is an extremely nice car, super slept on. Let's go for a drive. You can see what it's all about. I'm blown away. This car is absolutely insane. It's completely slept on, and honestly, there's really nothing else like this car. The closest thing I could compare it to is probably an F12. It's a phenomenal car. The sounds it makes, the transmission's fantastic, the gears are long, you could wring the car out. It just wants to go. And I've really never driven anything like this before in my life. The sound, I can't get over the sound. It just screams. I don't even know how to describe it. It's insane. Absolutely insane. In a class of its own. Front engine, 6-liter V12, naturally aspirated. Dogleg 7-speed manual transmission. Rear-wheel drive, no roof. You hear everything, you feel everything. This is a lot more special. One of 100 made for the US in a manual. One of 36 Roadsters made for the world in a manual, which is super rare. And there really is nothing like this car. Check out our website if you're interested. This one, I have a feeling, is going to go very fast. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.